Have you ever thought about becoming a freelancer? It's a path that offers an abundance of flexibility and control over your own destiny. To begin this journey, the first step is to identify your skills and expertise. What do you excel in? Perhaps you're a whiz with words, a master of design, or a tech guru. Remember, your skills are your product, your brand. Next, it's time to establish your online presence. This involves creating a professional portfolio that showcases your best work. It could be a personal website, a LinkedIn profile, or a profile on a freelancing platform. Make sure to highlight your skills, experience, and any relevant work you've done. Now you're ready to start looking for work. Freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are a great place to start. However, don't limit yourself to these platforms. Reach out to your network, attend industry events, or even cold email potential clients. Persistence is key in this stage. Now that you've found potential work opportunities, it's time to secure your first gig. This can be a daunting process, but with the right approach, you'll be well on your way. First, make sure to craft a compelling proposal. Highlight your skills, experience, and how you can add value to the project. Remember, you're not just pitching your services, you're selling a solution. Next, prepare for potential interviews. Research the client and their business, and anticipate questions they might ask. Lastly, negotiate your rate. Know your worth and don't be afraid to ask for it. Remember, the goal is to establish a mutually beneficial relationship with your client, so step up, put your best foot forward, and land that first gig. After all, this is just the beginning of your freelancing journey. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more freelancing tips and tricks. Once you've landed your first gig, it's all about delivering quality work. Remember, your reputation is everything in the freelancing world. Always meet your deadlines, communicate effectively, and strive to exceed your clients' expectations. Finally, remember to take care of the business side of things. This includes setting up a system for invoices and payments, tracking your expenses, and setting aside money for taxes. It may seem daunting, but there are many tools and resources available to help you manage these aspects. So, to summarize, becoming a freelancer involves identifying your skills, establishing an online presence, looking for work, delivering quality work, and managing your business. It's a journey that requires hard work, persistence, and a dash of courage. But the rewards can be tremendous, offering the freedom to work on your terms and the opportunity to shape your own destiny. Remember, every successful freelancer started somewhere. They faced challenges, they made mistakes, but they kept going. And you can too. So what are you waiting for? The world of freelancing is waiting for you. Before we wrap up, it's important to mention that this journey is not a one-time event. It's a constant learning and growing process, and we are here to guide you through every step of the way. So make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. This way, you'll never miss our future videos, full of insights, tips, and advice to help you thrive in your freelancing career. Remember, your success is our success. Stay tuned and stay inspired, because the world of freelancing is waiting for you.